So another video I'm going to do quick right now is the installation of these eBay fan shrouds with some eBay fans on it. I don't recommend running the fans, but Clayton's going to do it. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and remove all the 10 mils that are connected to the radiator support. You have the 10 mil right here for the coolant reservoir, the 310s for the cruise control box. You have one right there, another one right here. Get those out of the way, and you want to unplug it right here from the radiator. If you have the plastic radiator, you want to be careful not to crack this, because if you do, you're going to need a whole new radiator. Ask me how I know. We're going to go ahead and unplug the fans right here, and then we're going to wire up or crimp them to those so they could be plug and play really easy. And oh, and I think I have to remove the hood latch as well. Yep, actually I do. So we're gonna have 110 all the way down there, 10 right here, 10 right there, and right here, and the latch and the support should be off. So let's go ahead and do that. I already went ahead and removed the cruise control box, this as well, the reservoir coolant.
It's worth the $20.
Stock fans are out. I had to take these off right here as well because it was getting caught right here. So you might have to remove the actual whole radiator support, but I didn't want to. Oh, and I forgot, Mishimoto's have more screw holes right here. I think if you have the stock one, it's just a tab that just slips right in. You could probably put a 10 mil and attach it. We can attach it. Hold on. Oh, that works.
No, we just need to
Here, put it right here. Just put it right here. No, I don't think it's gonna work.
Anyways, quality content like this is gonna get significantly less views. Or just fucking hold it, dude.
Wait, no, I had to modify it. Still. There, it's good. I have to splice the plugs, but I want to do it before I put it in. I have to get the old plugs.
Got it.
So Santi's right here doing the job. Guess he wanted to help out. We got the soldering iron over there getting warm, the solder right here. Clayton doesn't have heat shrink, or I think he does, but he didn't provide it. He just had to use electrical tape, so. We're gonna try and clean this up before we throw it in the car as well. So it's kind of major crusty. So I already have one side done. Just gotta use a heat gun to shrink the heat shrink. Santi's over here twisting these up. Gonna solder them first before we turn on the heat gun. We don't want to trip the breaker. Manzanita Sol Original de Mexico. It's probably made right here in the United States. But anyways.
Just look on the back if it says corn syrup.
If it says corn syrup,
then it's fake.
And then it's fake.
It's not the original.
Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup. Okay, it's not original. But anyways, wow, nice.
And I like how my car's more JDM than yours.
Oh yeah. Damn.
Here, heat it up. All right, let go.
Was that enough?
Yep.
All right. Let's do the other one. Bang, bang, bang. Gotta remove those Hotchkiss camera arms. Oh, Clayton's neighbors.
Here, have the flat tip on it. Don't have the actual tip.
And it's done. The proper way. So we're gonna let these cool down for a minute, and then we're gonna just wrap it up with some electrical tape to kind of protect it. Since
This one has a mechanical and a solder connection, so should be extra secure. Pretty sure Mighty Car Mods demonstrated it first.
Dun, dun, dun. You
And
gotta remember, you gotta wrap it before you
Seasons
cap
4
it.
or 5. Yeah.
You tempted to drink some.
got mine done. Santi's over here finishing his. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Unless if it's murdering somebody.
Whoops.
Dun, dun, dun.
Poor Misguided Free by Star Sailor on Amazon Music.
$40 now.
And just like that, got it installed, all tidied up. Everything's secured in place. Hood latch, bracket, looking a lot smoother. Awesome, cool. It's not Popeye's chicken sandwich, but it sure looks better than it. Oh, what the hell?
Hella sad, huh?
Popeye's chicken sandwich without the bread.
Or pickles.